Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sivadas Madhavan, Associate Professor of English. Today I am going to talk about affixation, one of the methods of word formation in English. Just as many other languages, English also has affixation, that is, using affixes to form the words. In the case of English, prefixes and suffixes are quite common, and infixes are very rare. In many languages, infixes are used in the middle of the word to form the words, to make negatives, to make plurals, etc. But in the case of English, it is very rare, except in words like cups full, spoons full, etc. Cup full is singular, plural form is cups full. Spoonful is singular, spoons full is plural. And the same way, passer-by is singular, passers-by is plural. So in this case, the plural form is added in the middle of the word. But it is very rare in English. Sometimes even grammar teachers don't talk about it. And in the case of some informal expressions people use, for example, some derogative forms like bloody, people use in the words. For example, halle bloody luya, singa bloody poo. These are the funny ways of expressing the feelings of the person, to express the irritation or an undesirable feeling about it. Otherwise, only prefixes and suffixes are used in English. In the slide I prepared here, there are three figures. The first one, just near my photo, you can see the diagram with arrow marks. And the word unhappiness is divided into three morphemes. First one is un. Un is a prefix, happy is a free morpheme, and ness is another bound morpheme, that is the suffix, and it's also an affix. An affix means that which is added to the word like prefix or suffix or infix. So here in the case of unhappiness, there are three affixes, there are three morphemes and two affixes. Un is an affix and ness is another affix. And happy is the free morpheme, unhappiness. So this word has prefix and suffix. Similarly, the diagram which I have shown on the right hand side is unlikely. Unlikely also has three morphemes. Un is a morpheme, like is a morpheme, li is a morpheme. Here in the case of unlikely, like is the free morpheme, un is a bound morpheme, li is also a bound morpheme. Un is the prefix, it's an affix, and likely is a stem or base. So to the base likely, we add the affix un. And to the word likely, likely is also divided into stem and affix, or base and affix. Like is the stem or base, and li is the affix. So the morphological structure can be shown like this. And the last figure, or the last diagram, is a tree diagram to show the morphemes of the word independently. Independently can be divided into the stem independent and the affix li. Again, independent, the adjective form independent can be divided into in and dependent. In is an affix, dependent is a base or stem. And the adjective dependent can also be divided into free morpheme, that is stem, dependent, and affix ent, ent. So in the word independently, there are four morphemes. One is free morpheme and the other three are bound morphemes. So this way you can show the morphological structure of the words by dividing words into morphemes. Morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit of grammar. That's all about this. Next time we will come up with another topic. Until then, goodbye.